Ebyarugiro mu National Health Medical Information System ebyakwasirwa omwaka gw'2020 hamwe na 2021 nibyoreka ko ekyanga kya Busoga nicyo kiri kukirayo kugira abantu abafiira amaisho na n'obucweka 13 harigana wagerageranisa n'obucweka buna n'obutonyeza omukaaga aharigana mu ihanga lyona.
We are looking at ourselves as being, if we are rehabilitated, we can really contribute, because some of the people who lose sight at our age are people who are prominent businessmen and women, and they tend to sit down. They are moved out or knocked out of production process.
Ekitongole ekireta hamwe abashaho b'amaisho mu ihanga hona nikigira ngu abantu abarukurenge mu mitwaro 40 bafiira amaisho obwo ekiri kureetwa endwara ya shukari hamwe na pressure y'amaisho.
That is really our aspiration. If we are supported, we stand to move with the bridge to offer this skilling so that we can even enable our brothers and sisters there to go for further studies up to PhD.
Obwa hati bamwe hari bamemba b'ekibina eki barimo nibatunga kutendekwa omu bya computer ahitendekere rya Bridge Institute of Technology omu Fort Portal.
For both the staff and possibly the students that are available already, you'll find that we actually have a gap in those skills. We need these people, we need our staff to move on and get high-level skills that are in other countries.
Association okugamba ebi n'obuyabane buganaho na naba MTN Uganda omu Fort Portal oba abantu batongozaho campaign y'abensi omu Fort Portal eri kumanywa nkada MTN Uganda.
Amaisho.
So we want to see as government that MTN can make friendly, non services to the community, to the lowest person.
Someone to hold this. Amaisho.